Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we got more progress on what's under the cover here. What could it be? I don't know, you guys know? 54 Ford Victoria Crestline. More on this. Let me show you where we're at with this piece that I made right here. Obviously, the worn out one is down there. These pieces, this here, this piece, and this one was bought. But this is the one that fits, and you can see how much it was modified compared to what was delivered. This is the forward section that goes into the wheel well, rear tail piece. Let me flip them and see that. That area was fairly close, but it's just flat here. It needed a slight bend there, as you can see here. This piece here does not go straight up and down. There's a angle to it. So I put that in, modified this area a lot. It's an inner structure piece. It's going to get undercoated like the rest of the car underneath, and no one will know. Clamped in, ready to be spot welded, inside and out, along the bottom, once that piece is on. Inner passenger wheel lip shaped. Check this out, worked out really well. Right here, this is it. I haven't unscrewed it yet. All I did was lay this piece of metal on that piece of wood that I cut, traced it, cut it, cleaned up, made it nice and smooth. I'll show you when I unscrew it. Scrap wood, scrap wood. Really, this piece was scrap wood. It's just a temporary buck. It's so temporary that it actually broke when I was hammering on it. That's fine. I'll unscrew this, set it on there, see how well it turned out. Unscrewed, ready to test fit. First test fit. pretty right. This edge is obviously rough. I need to clean that up. But where the bend is to this bend, that is 100. Little more hammer dolly, little tweak, clean up the edge because there's excess, obviously. Both sides, rear, lower, inner quarter panel piece shaped, welded in, painted black, seam sealer along all the edges. The lip piece that I put in, seam sealed. This will get a coating of undercoat on it. Both sides are ready to go. Seam sealed, like I said. Nice. Next is dismantling all the wrong they did and making a inner lip for this piece and then fitting the outer lower quarter here. All right, the basic shape is there. Contour of the lip is correct. Really, see there, that too. That's right. So I need to mess with this bottom area and this body line, but before I do that, I'm going to take the skin off the car and see if the inner structure follows this or not. I bet it does not follow this, and then I will fine-tune the rest of this piece to the inner structure of the car. Let me show you what I've dissected here. I cut away their wrongness, the bad, and wire wheeled their undercoating off of what they pop riveted to the inner rocker wheel well area, and they just loaded it up with this undercoating to hide it all. And this piece here is two-piece originally. You can see that, so that should be a little easier to shape, and the body line does follow into the wheel well housing, so that'll be a fun little challenge. Also, I mean, we knew they welded here, but they just like overlapped and welded, and looks like they didn't even cut out the bad stuff right there. So gonna make some pieces here that will flow into this, welded on, smooth out the welds, and no rivets. We're not doing anything with pop rivets. The other side is still original and intact, so I can reference this side very easily and tune it up, do it right, do it so the next guy doesn't realize somebody was in there messing around. Let me tell you where we're at right now. This piece temporarily on so I could build inner pieces. Now same with this, temporarily on, not final adjusted. This is just so I can build inner pieces that rotted out, and you saw it, they were pop riveted, the replacement pieces. So this piece fully shaped, fitted. There was a little easy flat piece on the backside of the rocker that's fitted, welded, ground down. It is ready for some black paint and some undercoat. I still have to build this piece, and let me take this off and I'll show you what the backside looks like that gets hidden. All right, you can see the inside pieces that no one will ever see. This piece, super easy to make, and lap welded this one. Inner structure, super strong. This, you know, it was wasn't as easy to form as I thought, but I still have to make this piece. But from here over is done, here done. So join these two together, and this inner structure stuff that is hidden is going to be done, and I can finally final fit these outside pieces. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you weekly content on all the projects in the shop. Thanks.